Hello kiddos, today we are going to draw a strawberry. Wow! So let's get started. Do you like strawberry? I like it very much. Let's color it now. I am putting the light green color. Now I am putting the red color.
Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Off to Texas 2x2. Off to Texas 2x2. Off to Texas 2x2. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Now I am putting the light yellow color.
Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost
And
my
now it's
partner,
time for
what'll I
some
do?
magic.
To my loo, my
Abracadabra, magic. Oops, this is the real strawberry. Wow,